This is the message. Real client, real reply. 48 hours, 0 experience, 1 ChatGPT prompt. In 2026, beginners with 0 experience are landing their first AI client in under 48 hours. Here is exactly how. The method I used to find this client in under 1 hour. Most people have never heard of this platform. Revealed at 4 minutes exactly. In part 1, the 5 free tools. In part 2, the 3-step system. Today is part 3, first client, real money. 48 hours from right now. Before I start, drop your answer below. Have you ever tried freelancing with AI? Tell me what happened, or tell me what stopped you. The full 48 hours looks like this. Day 1, find the prospect, send the sample. Day 2, reply arrives, first order placed. 2 days, 1 client. You are not looking for everyone. You are looking for one type of person, a creator with a specific visible problem and money to fix it. Open YouTube, search your niche, filter by this week. Look only at the thumbnails. Bad thumbnail, blurry text, no hook. That channel is your prospect. Before you reach out, 3 questions. Do they upload consistently? Do they have 1,000 subscribers or more? Is their worst problem something you can fix? Before you message anyone, build their improved thumbnail first. Open Canva, find their worst thumbnail, redesign it in 10 minutes. You now have proof you can do the work. For the redesigned thumbnail caption, use ChatGPT. Write a YouTube thumbnail headline for a video about, paste their title, under 7 words, bold, specific result. 10 prospects, 1 sample each. 3 of 10 reply to a free sample. 1 of 3 places a paid order. First client found. Most beginners write the wrong message. They pitch, they explain their service, they ask for money. The creator ignores it. Every single time. The message that gets replies does one thing only. It gives value first. No pitch, no price, no ask. Just a free sample and 1 question. Here is the exact message, word for word. Hi, I redesigned one of your thumbnails as a free sample. Happy to send it. No strings attached. Want to see it? Where do you send this message? YouTube. Click their About tab. Email is usually there, or go to their most recent video. Reply to their pinned comment. When they reply, keep it simple. Send the redesigned thumbnail file. 1 sentence of context only. I noticed your thumbnail on this video. Here is what I built instead. When they say they love it, do not immediately quote a price. Ask 1 question first. How many videos do you upload per week? Their answer tells you what to charge. They upload 3 videos per week. You offer 3 thumbnails per week, $20 each, $60 monthly, recurring, same client, every month. Use ChatGPT to personalize every message. Paste this prompt. Write a personalized outreach message for a YouTube creator who makes content about, then describe their channel. This is the actual reply. Hi, I love this. When can you start? 47 hours after first contact. Most beginners go straight to Fiverr. They set up a gig, they wait. Nothing happens for 2 weeks. Because cold gigs without reviews are invisible on Fiverr, you need your first 3 orders before Fiverr works for you. That means getting them from somewhere else. Somewhere buyers already trust you before you have a single review. The platform that solves this is a place where your work speaks before your reputation does. No reviews needed. No gig ranking needed. Reddit. Specifically, r/newtubers and r/entrepreneur. Active communities. 0 competition. Buyers ready to say yes today. 3 Reddit orders. 3 Fiverr reviews. Now Fiverr starts working for you. The algorithm pushes your gig. Inbound buyers find you automatically. 10 prospects in 1 hour. Here is how to personalize all 10 without writing 10 different messages. ChatGPT writes each one. You review. You send. First client. 3 thumbnails per week. $20 each. That is $60 per week. $240 monthly from 1 client. 5 clients at that rate. $1,200 every single month. Same tool, same workflow. 5 times the income. The mistake most beginners make. They send samples to creators with 10,000 subscribers or more. Those creators already have designers. They do not reply to cold outreach. The full 48-hour method. Day 1. Find 10 prospects. Build the sample. Send the message. Day 2. Reply arrives. Ask the question. Close the client. I built a free resource for this video. 5 copy-paste outreach messages that consistently get replies. Every message tested. Every message optimized. Link in description. No email needed. Drop your answer right now. Have you ever tried freelancing with AI? Tell me what happened, or tell me what stopped you. I reply with your exact next step. Thursday, Part 4. The $0 AI freelance setup. Every tool, every gig template. Everything you need to launch today. Subscribe. Thursday. Subscribe to this channel. New AI system every week. Always free, always beginner friendly. Drop your answer below. I send your first step today.